Good morning, students. A special good, yeah, man. Good morning, good afternoon, all is okay. A special good morning to Lalit Rambabua. Okay. So today we are going to learn one very important topic. The topic is actually you can say master stroke for student those who have problem in algebra. Okay. Let me start the topic. If I ask you what is a plus b to power 1, can you answer it? Can you answer it? What it is? Hey man, first read properly. It is a plus b to power 1. This will be a plus b only. Correct? If I ask a plus b square, what will be answer? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Yes or no? If I ask you a plus b to power 3, then you have any answer? Yes? Tell. Huh? Tell. Tell. No smiling. Tell. Huh? It. A cube. Okay. A cube plus b cube plus. Very good. Very good. Huh? Tell. Tell. Arey wah. Very good. 2ab. Lalit Ram. Tell man. See, understand the real problem. The problem with the students are this topic is very very useful for your quadratic equation. Correct? Where sum of root, cube of roots, product of roots and all those parts are there. But you guys are excellent in this. In other way. Excellent in other way meaning is no idea what to do. You guys remember only a plus b to the whole square. When it comes to a plus b to the whole cube, that part is completely blank. Yes or no? You are not able to tell. So we have to learn a master formula. Even though we are able to memorize this or not, it does not matter. We should be able to tell the answer. Yes or no? So today my class is based on that topic only. How to develop formula if I ask you a plus b to power 4, a plus b to power 5, a plus b to power anything. Okay. In general, I can write a plus b to power n. So if this kind of questions are coming, how to answer it? Definitely we cannot mug up or we cannot memorize all this. Even remembering a plus b to the whole square is easy, but when it comes to a plus b to the whole cube, that become little tough. 4, 5, 6, forget it, you cannot. So let us understand how this is working out. So I'll erase and I'll put it again. So listen. So if we have first thing a plus b, let us start with the lowest power 0. Is it clear? Then it can be a plus b to power 1. Then a plus b to power 2, a plus b to power 3, a plus b to power 4 and so on. Yes or no? One more I will write a plus b to power 5 and so on, a plus b to power n. So any power you give me, I will be able to tell you answer. What is that method? The method is very simple. What method I am going to follow? Listen. First thing is, I will write this one. As you know the formula, what is this? A square plus 2ab upon plus b square. Correct? If you notice this properly, let us modify this and write. Here 1 and 1 will be written because nothing means 1 can be multiplied. Now see this numbers, for time being delete it. Do not consider numbers. Only alphabets I am writing. So can I write this as a square b to power 0? Yes or no? Next 2 I am not writing. I don't want number. Just let me write this alphabets, variables. A to power 1, b to power 1. Similarly, can I write here b to power 2, a to power 0, or I can write like this a to power 0, b to power 2. What we noticed here is, in the same thing, when we write the variables, when we write this variables, a is the first variable and b is the second one. Yes or no? So A is start with the highest power. What is that highest power here? 2. So A is starting with 2 and B is starting with lowest, that is 0. Next term which you can notice here that A is decreased by 1. Yes or no? So 2 minus 1 is how much? 1. And B is increased by 1. So 0 plus 1 is 1 only. Next term again A is decreased by 1 and B is increased by 1. 1 decreased to 2. So here A power 1 is there. If you decrease 1, so 1 minus 1 will become 0. And B is increased by 1, so 1 plus 1 will become 2. Yes or no? So this is the noticed part. Similarly, can we write here for 3? So let us start. A to power 3, B to power 0. Next term will become decrease A by 1. So A will become 2, B will become 1. Third term, A will be again decreased by 1. So 1, B will be again increased by 1. So 2. Correct? Next term, A will be decreased by 1. So A will become 0 and B will become 3. Yes or no? You can notice that in each term, we are decreasing A by 1 and increasing B by 1. Yes or no? So it started with A highest power and B lowest power. It will end up with A lowest power and B highest power. We need to stop here. Okay. So this is the way we can arrange any alphabets here. Okay. Let me tell for 5. Can you tell me? Yes. Yes, start. A power 5, 4 or 5? 5. For 5 I am writing. Sorry, then B power 0. Then, very good. B power 1 plus A power 3, B power 2, then A power 2, then B power, then B power. Excellent. Yes or no? So first thing we'll learn how to arrange these variables. Yes or no? If you have learned or you are knowing this how to arrange the variable, 50% of work is done. Because when we see the original answer, in these two things are there. One is arranging variables and second is managing numbers, right? So now we have to focus how to get these numbers. Okay, because here how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 numbers we need. So for numbers, there is a special method and we call that as Pascal's triangle. What we call? Pascal's triangle. What is that triangle? That triangle is actually very interesting. Yes or no? So let me draw here and show you. So here one triangle is going to be developed and write this number n equal to 0, n equal to 1, n equal to 2, n equal to 3, n equal to 4, n equal to 5, n equal to 6 and so on, n equal to n, whatever you want, right? Now corresponding to this, make one horizontal line. Make one horizontal line. Now what you notice this horizontal line cuts this triangular part at two different places. Yes or no? How many places? Wherever it is intersecting, mark 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Is that clear? So tell me, Alitram, what you will get here? 1. Tell me, what you will get here? Here, here. So can I write all the ends will be 1, 1? Yes or no? Yes, excellent. And so on, wherever it is. Right? Now the next part is, you have to take upper two edge and develop one downward triangle. Downward triangle. How it is going to happen? See, with this one we cannot develop because only one part is there. We need minimum how many? 2. So let's come to the next level. Here we can develop one downward triangle with help of this 2. And this 1, 1 will become vertices of a triangle and the next vertex will be sum of these 2. What will be? So can I write here 2? Because 1 plus 1 will give you 2. Next row if you come, here 1 and here 2 is there. So using these 2 vertex, we can develop one more downward triangle and this is going to be 1 plus 2 as 3. Very nice. Here again 1 plus 2 as 3. Now again next line, how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So start from here, make one downward triangle. 1 plus 3 how much? 4. 3 plus 3 how much? 6. 1 plus 3 how much? 4. Yes or no? Let's go for next. 1 plus 4 is how much? 5. 4 plus 6 is how much? 10. Again 4 plus 6 is how much? 10. 1 plus 4 is how much? 5. Again next level, 1 plus 5 is 6. 5 plus 10 is 15. 10 plus 10 is 20. 10 plus 5 is how much? 15. 1 plus 5 is how much? 6. Yes or no? So this is corresponding to level 6. Now, if you want to get answer for 5, yes or no? So for 5, go n equal to 5. What you can notice, the number is 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. Yes or no? Just substitute these numbers. So 1, next number is what? 5, then 10, 10, what is next? 5 and 1. Yes or no? So this is the answer actually. This is answer for expansion of a plus b to power 5. You can simplify this. B to power go can be written as 1. So this first term will become just a to power 5. Second term will become 5 a to power 4 b, plus third term will become 10 a cube b square plus 10 a square b cube plus 5 a b to power 4, and the last one will become b to power 5. So this is the answer for a to power 5. Excellent formula, excellent technique we can say. Yes or no? We will use this for finding 3. So already you have written expansion for 3. Yes or no? Just substitute the number from here. What is the number? 1, 3, 3, 1. Simplify this. This is going to be a cube plus 3 a square b plus 3 ab square plus b cube. So this is the answer, guys, what you failed to tell. Yes or no? A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Yes or no? So this is kind of miracle for you people, or you can say the master formula up to 10th level. 11th people knows, they are aware of binomial theorem. This is actually part of binomial theorem. For you guys which you are unaware, this will help you to develop any formula, and such questions can be asked in entrance exam. In fact, it may be in a star also. Yes or no? So keeping that in mind, you have to develop this technique. One more important things to be noticed here. The number which you see here, this is 1. Actually 11 to power 0 is 1. What you noticed here, 11, this is actually 11 to power 1. Yes or no? Next, what you noticed? 121, which is actually 11 to power 2. Next, what you notice? 1331, this is actually 11 to power 3. Yes or no? Whatever number you are getting, that is actually 11 to that power. Yes or no? So it's very interesting. If anybody asks you to find this 11 to power 3, 11 to power 4, 11 to power 5, even you can answer from here. Yes or no? So up to 10th level, getting this expansion is now very easy. So Lalit Nam, if I ask you what is formula for a plus b to the whole cube, what you are going to tell? Plus BQ. Yes or no? Very good. Clap for him. This flow finally told the answer. Yes. So this is the way, if you learn, your work is going to get reduced. The problem is not like you don't know. The problem is you are not learning in a correct way. You make the thing very complicated and then you tell, Pa, this many formulas are how to mug up. It's not about mug upping. We have to understand the technique behind that, how to remember. If you know this technique, things become very easy for you. Yes or no? Thank you guys. I hope this was useful for you. And now you are going to utilize and solve the question based on quadratic equation. Okay. Thank you.